Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add the Google Chat apps into Gmail. So get started. At first open your desktop. Now you can see add the Google Chat app to Gmail. Now you can see now going to the Chrome browser. Now select from Chrome browser. Now click. Now you can see then we show the new interface. Now you can see now going to the Gmail. Now click from Gmail. Now you can see the open the Gmail. Now you can see this Gmail add the Google Chat apps. Now going to the setting option. Now click. Now select from apps in Gmail. Now click from customize option. Now click. Now click from Google Chat option. Now from tick mark. Now click done. Now click from reload. That it's now you can see then I show the add the Google Chat apps. Now click. That it's now you can see add Google Chats app to Gmail in very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share.